Hi, class. I hope everyone had a lovely weekend. This is your Sunday night video to let you know what we're going to be doing this week. Let's start it off with a joke. Why doesn't anyone ever talk to circles? Because there's no point. Okay, so for this week, we are continuing to talk about fractions. Last week, we worked on sections 3.1 through 3.5. We're going to start off by reviewing them, and we are going to continue working on chapter 3. We're going to be doing sections 3.6 and 3.7. So I would like you to complete the readings for 3.6 and 3.7 by Tuesday before class. So if you want to get a jump on it, you can get started tonight. Otherwise, that will be Monday's homework. Our test is going to be Friday, covering all of chapter 3. So let's get going. So for our number talks on Monday, this is what I want you to think about. 1 serving of rice is 2/3 of a cup. I ate 1 cup of rice. How many servings did I eat? So think about this, write it down, conceptualize it, and we're going to talk about it in class, so I expect everyone to have some kind of answer, some kind of thoughts behind it, and that's it. We'll see you tomorrow. All right. Thanks, guys.